My dear sisters and brothers, as we come close to the feast of Saint Francis Xavier, I wish to make a few announcements. First and foremost, veneration of the sacred relics will continue on the 3rd of December, on the feast day, at the normal timings from 7 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening. You may have heard of or seen some rumors, some messages saying that veneration will be closed on the 2nd and 3rd. It will not be closed. Veneration will continue at the normal timings. On the 3rd of December, the counter for the sick and the disabled will be open only from 2 o'clock in the afternoon till 6 o'clock in the evening. In the morning half, the counter will be closed. Those who want to use the facility of a wheelchair, they need to produce a pass issued by the exposition committee. These passes can be obtained through your parish priest or also at the counter for the sick and the disabled. You have to produce a letter from your parish priest or a certificate, an original certificate from a doctor, or maybe a disability certificate issued by the government. We humbly request your collaboration so that we may make use of these facilities in the best possible way. This counter is not for senior citizens, but this counter is only for those people who find it difficult to walk or may have any other physical or mental disabilities. We wish you all the best, and we wish you also the best wishes for the feast of Saint Francis Xavier.
Father, who will be main celebrant for the feast mass?
The main celebrant for the feast will be His Eminence Cardinal Antonio Luis Tagle. Cardinal Antonio is based in Rome. He is from the Philippines, but he is the pro-prefect of the Dicastery for Evangelization based in Rome. He has already arrived yesterday in Goa, and he will preside over the High Mass on the 3rd of December.
Thank you.